at my new friend. This one is so tiny. This is his first trip into the yard. He scored 2 peanuts. He had his first drink out of the bird bath. Trying to get up there was hilarious. He is adorable. Absolutely adorable. He's not afraid of me. I have to protect him from those cats. Watch him maneuver down. He's afraid of all the plants below. I shouldn't say afraid, they're just cautious. He jumps. I had to pause it. It's taking him forever to learn how to eat the peanut. First he had to find a comfy spot. Okay, he better hurry because there's another one on the way. I kid you not, this squirrel is taking him forever to eat this one peanut. It's obviously his first peanut. June 14th, 2026. And here comes somebody that's gonna chase him away. And I know there's a cat in the garden out there.